I totally forgot about that.
I totally forgot about that.
It slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind.
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
Don't mention it.
Don't mention it.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Let's not waste time.
Let's not waste time.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm stuck in traffic.
It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
I'll be right there.
I'll be right there.
I'm on my way home.
I'm on my way home.
It's hard to believe.
It's hard to believe.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
You're absolutely right.
You're absolutely right.
I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough.
Better late than never.
Better late than never.
I overslept.
I overslept.
Let's try something new.
Let's try something new.
It was just a guess.
It was just a guess.
I'm just browsing.
I'm just browsing.
I've heard a lot about you.
I've heard a lot about you.
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
I can't make it today. I can't make it today. Let me get back to you.
Let me get back to you.
I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help.
I've been busy lately.
I've been busy lately.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Let's agree to disagree.
Let's agree to disagree.
You nailed it.
You nailed it.
You scared me.
You scared me.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
It's totally up to you.
It's totally up to you.
Let's do it later.
Let's do it later.
Let me explain.
Let me explain.
This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous.
Calm down, please.
Calm down, please.
I lost my appetite.
I lost my appetite.
I don't feel like cooking.
I don't feel like cooking.
Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand?
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
You've improved a lot.
You've improved a lot.
That's a good question.
That's a good question.
I'll find out.
I'll find out.
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Sorry for the delay.
Sorry for the delay.
Let me double check.
Let me double check.
It's not working.
It's not working.
I'm not in the mood.
I'm not in the mood.